Hello everyone, I am Sonali and welcome to my channel Aesthetic World with Sonali. Today we are going to see how to make this beautiful frame using pista shells. We will start this video with a very positive note. One of my favorite lines from a book, that is, at some point, we all have to learn to rise from the still lakes of mud, mess, and grime to begin fulfilling our own potential and paving the way to our success. Like the mud, the old ways and things may try to hold you back and suck you back in. But just like the lotus flower, use the sun's rays, your goals, your blessings, and your inner strength to keep you blossoming towards your rays. For this, we will need a sketch of a girl with a huge skirt so that we can fill in the pista shells in. Next, we have to leave some space around the border to put in the frame. Next, we need pista shells. I have colored them in rainbow color. You can color them in any color of your choice. A strong adhesive. You can use Fevicol as well. Here, make sure to overlap the shells to fill in the white space. If you want the skirt in just one color, you can directly stick the shells and then paint it of any color.
If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were no one. And I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were no one. And I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were no one. And I can't wait to see you
Cut a cardboard in the shape of a frame and color it black. Next, we need a small circular cardboard and stick the pista shells like this to make a fly.
If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you
Now stick the flower and with the green paint draw the branches and stick green colored pista shells as leaves.
if I had known then what I know.
If you make this frame, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram or DM me. I would love to see your creations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and comment down your thoughts. See you in my next video. Till then, be creative, be kind. Bye.